Location: Athens. Project: office renovation. Choice: Microcement. Product: DS-259 DECO MICRO RESIN. In a building in the area of Athens, a floor is being renovated to install offices. The technicians group will prime each new construction using the micromolar stabilizer Aquafix by Durostick. 4 to 6 hours later, and after Aquafix has deeply impregnated the surfaces and has created excellent adhesion conditions, the application of the resinous decorative cement mortar DS-259 DECO MICRO RESIN follows. The resinous decorative cement mortar DS-259 DECO MICRO RESIN, due to its advanced composition, presents flexibility and allows its application with the styling roller of Durostick. The resinous decorative cement mortar, when applied with the styling roller, presents great ease on the whole surface, in 1/3 of the time, versus the traditional application would need. While it is fresh on the surface, it receives its smoothing with a 50 cm stainless steel trowel. Vertically from top to bottom, but also horizontally. The application of the resinous decorative cement mortar DS-259 DECO MICRO RESIN by Durostick on a properly prepared substrate is done with the same ease in the second hand. The product created for the renovation of houses and corporate spaces. With only a 2 mm layer thickness, it does not require any type of reinforcing fiberglass mesh in most applications. It covers cracks and is resistant to natural contractions and expansions of surfaces without cracking. It covers extremely even in one layer, is fine-grained, and creates a smooth finished surface with high decorative interest. For cuts, a small roller completes the coat. The finish of the surface, as was mentioned before, is done with a stainless steel trowel 50 cm and vertical movements from top to bottom, but also horizontal. In the cuts, stainless steel trowel with convenient dimensions. Intervene in the points, resulting in a perfect application. To protect the decorated surface, choose one of the suitable DuraStick products. These products aim to protect the surfaces from daily use over time, and to make them more resistant to stress. They are practically odorless and easy to work with. Apply them 2 to 3 days after the application of the resinous decorative cement mortar. The application time depends on the temperature and humidity conditions in the environment. Reduce the impact of applying the varnish to the surface. Prime with Aquafix to achieve a slight change in the result. Otherwise, the surface gets darker. Look for DuraStick products at selected points of sale. Find out more at www.durastick.com or contact the Technical Support Department.